Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, today we are going to make a cup of hot Milo. Ingredients and tool: hot water glass 1 sachet, Milo milk spoon. First, put Milo milk into the glass. Second, pour hot water into the glass. Then stir well. Finally, Milo milk is ready to drink. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.